Okay, so having created the first part of the handle, we need to create the second part, and the observant amongst you might realise that all we need to do is just change these pins here and create holes in another one so that the pins will locate into the holes. So this is quite straightforward, hopefully. So we just go File, Save As, and where we have handle 1, we're going to save it as handle 2, and OK. So we don't need to do much to it apart from reverse the extrusion. Now, actual fact, Autodesk Inventor won't let us reverse the extrusion. So if I want to literally find the previous extrusion in my browser, so that's that there, and if I just double click on the extrusion here, and all I do is I'm going to try and just change the direction of the extrusion to 3mm. It actually says it's failed, which is a bit annoying. So what I'm going to do is cancel that operation and keep it there. So what we need to do is, if I go into the extrusion, what I want to do is lose the extrusion, but keep the sketch and re-extrude it. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to delete. And at the top left here it will say additionally delete consume sketches and features. Well, I actually want to keep the sketches and features, so I'm going to keep that and go OK. So the sketch is still there, it's just the extrusion isn't. So I'm going to, now the sketch is there, I'm going to just press extrude. It should find that one there, and I'm going to click on that one there, and instead of going outwards I'm going to go inwards by 3. And do you know what I might just do is go back into the sketch. Now if this was to be 3D printed, if we had the outward pin at 5 and the hole at 5, you'll probably find that it just won't quite fit. It'll be too tight. So I'm just going to expand that to about 5.2. So you can just go into the sketch and change it. So if I right click and edit sketch, and all I need to do is just go to the dimension and change that to 5. Let's go 5.2 there. And the same here, 5.2. And finish sketch. What you will notice, if you're very observant, when I go back into the 3-dimensional model, you'll see that those holes will just expand ever so slightly. And there we are. And that is handle 2. So let's save that as handle 2. Thank you very much.